Hello, my name is Nuno Gouveia and I'm representing Sona MC, which is the activity leader of a Pick-a-Picture project, including Siemens, KUKA and CEA. Within these projects, we'll try to develop and deploy a unique next-generation fresh fish picking system and spectral quality control, everything completely integrated and based on a human-robot collaboration mindset. It means that from the beginning, we looked for the current process and we will try to include two outstanding new solutions. The first one, a groundbreaking and kindly fresh fish picking system, and on a second stage, a 100% check systems completely traceable and constant quality inspection. Basically, it means that we'll try to pass from a mainly manual process to a disruptive one that will include the three phases of the process: the picking, the sorting, and the expedition. The picking and sorting are the scope of the Pick-a-Picture project, and the expedition it's a huge investment from our side, Sona MC, that will complement all the process and put everything completely integrated. Here it is explained why this project is trying to set the bar so higher, and basically because the fresh fishes present diverse sizes, shapes, appearance and deformable nature, which provide tremendous challenges for the robotics and technological domains. And it was precisely what we are trying to tackle on the phase 1 and on the phase 2 of the process. It means on the picking and on the sorting. This project presents several positive impacts, such as new and novelty integrated solutions for fresh fish market and other sectors like automotive or aerospace, increased yields and outputs, as well as better ergonomics, health and safety, not only for our workers but for all the customers. Spectral quality control, it means that we'll try to pass from a sampling to an 100% of checks, and it means as well that it's an additional safety for all. Kindly picking systems, not only for this sector but as well as for the referred above. The migration of some operators to other needed and new process, it is very important for all the manufacturers. And European innovation culture with projects like this one. Finally, on this slide, we present which are the societal challenges and manufacturing challenges that we are supporting and tackling. For the societal challenges side, food security, health and well-being, and for the manufacturing challenges side, put the production faster and better, develop new solutions based on safety, health and ergonomic domains, put the outputs on the center based on innovative solutions, and put the manufacturing sector more attractive for the young people.